enjoy our ride on the Raging Bull El Toro. Wait, that's like two different roller coasters. Doesn't matter, I love it. El Toro here at Six Flags Great Adventure. Still one of my favorite wooden roller coasters ever built. Quite possibly my favorite wooden roller coaster ever built. It is absolutely insane. Oh my God, the climb up this lift hill is already like 30 miles an hour. It's nuts. All right, here we go, guys. We are near the top of El Toro's lift hill. Get ready for it, because this is still one of the most batshit crazy wooden roller coasters ever built. Oh my God. Here comes the oh crap moment. Get ready. Oh crap! Oh yeah! Oh my God! Woo! Oh, that is insane! Oh my God! Woo! I don't believe it! Oh, seriously, El Toro is just nuts! Oh my God! Whee! Oh man! This ride is absolutely crazy! Woo! Oh my God! Ready? Woo! Oh jeez! That is some of the craziest airtime ever on a wooden roller coaster! Whee! Oh my! Oh yeah! Oh! Woo! Oh, and that is El Toro here at Six Flags Great Adventure. That just is absolutely batshit crazy insane, and I love it. All right, everybody, here we go. We are riding Kingda Ka here at Six Flags Great Adventure. Still the world's tallest roller coaster and the second fastest in the world. There's still something to me about looking down this launch track right here and thinking, holy crap, we're about to go at speeds of nearly 150 miles an hour and climb 400 feet in the air. It's a little crazy. Oh my God, a little bit of anticipation. All right, guys, get ready for it. Here comes the oh crap moment. Here we go. Oh crap! Oh my God! Oh my God! That is absolutely freaking crazy! Oh man! Holy crap! Still one of the most insane roller coasters in the world. Kingda Ka here at Six Flags Great Adventure. World's tallest roller coaster. Man, that is just freaking amazing. Oh my God! Guys, we are here riding Nitro at Six Flags Great Adventure. This has always been one of my favorite B&M hypercoasters. You love it too. Alright, here we go. Climbing this lift has always made me a little bit nervous. This is the lift. It's got to be one of the first of the B&M hybrids, right? Because there was what? Apollo Chariot, Raging Bull, this one. It's got to be like at the top, like 2 or 3. I think what was the Apollo Chariot was the first, or something like that. I'm sure people on the internet will tell a buffet of bunny hills.
One bunny hill.
And number 2. Whee! Number 3.
Bunny hills. Woo.
You're like Count Chocula over there. Not Count Chocula. The Count. Wait, Count Chocula. He's the. I just want breakfast cereal like that. Wait, it's the Count, right? Like 1 peanut butter sandwich, 2 peanut butter sandwiches. Got it. All right. What did we just ride?
Nitro.
Nitro at Great Adventure. We love it. 1 peanut butter sandwich, 2 peanut butter sandwiches.
Really messed up my hair.
I just want a peanut butter sandwich now.